Hi, this is Valmiki Sanjeev. Thanks to STEM Avishkar for providing the opportunity. My both the kids study here, and it is very necessary to have science, technology, engineering, mathematics knowledge nowadays. It's very necessity. It's not a luxury or it's not an option. So, if you see Chinese and Japanese kids, how they are growing up with the tech knowledge, so it is very necessary to have STEM knowledge today. Going ahead, they have to acquire more technological knowledge. So STEM Avishkar is giving a very good opportunities, and basically they are the simple people, simple appearance, simple ambience, which makes kids more easily to enter inside and to have interactions freely with an open mind. And they're giving good ample opportunities, and that the methodology of their teaching is very simple, which makes kids more easier to get the things, grab the things more easier, grab the concepts more quickly. um, i insist uh, I insist parents nowadays to please come here and visit the office, STEM here in Mysore, and as early as possible. It's time to get your kids admitted here. Thank you very much.